Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today's video is going to feature some of the best short hairstyling ideas that you can wear in 2023. Here we see this beautiful bob haircut. This one ends just below the jawline. And then we see a haircut transformation. So if you guys feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please feel free to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Absolutely gorgeous wavy style pixie. I love the fact that her natural texture is still very much present within this haircut. Line detailing on the side, gorgeous transformation. And then we see someone with long hair, and it looks like the stylist is going to be giving them a bob haircut. Beautiful classic bob style. Next up we see this gorgeous pixie style. Nice cascading back. And then we have another pixie, followed by this stunning silver ash color blonde bob. Gorgeous hair color. And then we see another gorgeous pixie cut. Loving the texture that the stylist added as well. Beautiful bangs to frame the face. Stunning. And we have a more of an undercut pixie style. Gorgeous color mix, kind of like a reddish burgundy shade. And then we see another beautiful pixie style haircut. Perfect in between mix of a bob and a pixie cut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.